Introducing the latest electric automatic Estatejeep that boasts a plethora of comfort, safety, and technology features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more. This vehicle is not just stylish with its roof rails and privacy glass, but also prioritizes security with features like anti-collision system and emergency call. With an energy recuperation system and stop and start functionality, this car is designed to be efficient and eco-friendly. And for your peace of mind, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss the chance to own this top-notch vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.